Hello students, in today's class we will discuss about double fertilization. In the last class we have studied about pole and pistil interaction. So what is fertilization? Fertilization is a process where fusion of male and female gametes takes place. So it is known as fertilization. Then what is double fertilization? So in angiosperms fertilization takes place twice. So that's why it is known as double fertilization. So in angiosperms fertilization takes place twice. So that's why it is known as double fertilization. So where this fertilization takes place in the angiosperms? So this fertilization it takes place where in the embryo sac. So fertilization where it takes place? It takes place in the embryo sac. So what is this embryo sac? Embryo sac it is a female gametophyte. Embryo sac is a female gametophyte, and this fully developed pollen grain it is known as what it is known? It is known as male gametophyte. Here embryo sac is a female gametophyte, whereas this pollen tube, pollen grain along with this pollen tube it is known as male gametophyte. Understood? So where this embryo sac it is present? It is present in the ovule. Where this ovule present? Ovule it is present in the ovary. And where this ovary present? Ovary it is present in the pistil. And pistil it is a female reproductive structure of the angiosperm. Pistil it is a female reproductive structure of the angiosperm. Remember students, always fertilization takes place in the female body. Always fertilization takes place where? In the female body. Understood? Okay. So when you have studied during this pollen pistil interaction, that when this pollen grain they get deposited on the stigma, they will produce what? They will produce this pollen tube. Okay, they will produce what? They will produce this pollen tube. So this is the pollen tube. In the pollen tube we have two male gametes. In the pollen tube we have two male gametes. Okay, here we have two male gametes. Understood? And always this pollen tube it enter into the embryo sac from micropyle. Okay, so always this pollen tube it enter into the embryo sac from micropyle end. Remember this thing. Okay, because in the embryo sac we have chalazal end and we have this micropyle end. So this is the chalazal end and this is the micropyle end. And always this pollen tube enter into the embryo sac from the micropyle end. Understood? Okay. So here in the pollen tube we have two male gametes. After entering one of the synergids, okay, after entering into the embryo sac, so one of the synergids, the pollen tube releases the two male gametes. Okay, so into the cytoplasma of the synergids. So where this pollen tube releases its male gametes? Into the synergids. Okay, so in the synergids what we have? We have this filiform apparatus, that is finger like projections are present in the synergids. They are the filiform apparatus. What is the function of this filiform apparatus? They will guide this male gametes where this egg it is present. They will guide egg where this they will guide this male gametes where this egg it is present. Okay, so after this what happens? One of the male gamete it is fuses with the egg and there will be a formation of what? Zygote. Okay, one of the male gamete it is fuses with the egg and there will be a formation of what? Zygote. Another male gamete it is fuses with the polar nuclei and there will be a formation of what? So there will be a formation of primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, so first male gamete it is fuses with the egg and there will be a formation of zygote, and another male gamete it is fuses with the polar nuclei and there will be a formation of primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, so how many time fertilization takes place here? We have two time fertilization in the angiosperms. So that's why it is known as double fertilization. So that's why it is known as what? Double fertilization. Okay, so here this fusion of male gamete with the egg So this process of fusion of male gamete with the egg, it is known as syngamy. Okay, what is syngamy? Syngamy is nothing but it is a process where there is a fusion of male gamete takes place with the egg, and there will be a formation of what? Zygote. Okay, so fusion of male gamete with the egg is known as what? Syngamy. And fusion of male gamete with the polar nuclei, it is known as triple fusion. Fusion of another male gamete with the polar nuclei, it is known as triple fusion. Okay, why it is known as triple fusion? Because in the polar nuclei we have two nucleus. In the polar nuclei we have two nucleus, and another nucleus where it is present? It is present in the male gamete. Okay, here fusion of how many nucleus takes place? Fusion of 3 nucleus takes place in the second fertilization. So that's why it is known as triple fusion. Okay, remember this, students. In the triple fusion there is an involvement of how many nucleus? 3 nucleus. So that's why it is known as triple fusion. So that's why it is known as what? Triple fusion. Understood? Okay. So this is about what? This is about double fertilization. This is about what is syngamy and what is triple fusion. Remember these two, they are very important in the double fertilization, that is syngamy and triple fusion. Understood? Okay. So here what you are seeing here, this one, it is a fertilized embryo sac. Okay, so it is a fertilized embryo sac. Okay, so after fertilization, you know that, so we have what we have? We have this zygote in the embryo sac. Okay, so we have zygote in the embryo sac, and so this and also we have this degenerating synergids. So synergids, what they are present here in the embryo sac, they undergo degeneration. So that's why we can see the presence of what? Degenerating synergids. So towards this jala end also we can see the degenerating antipodal cells. Degenerating antipodal cells. And after this, after fertilization, so in the zygote there will be a continuous mitotic cell division takes place. Okay, so in the zygote it will undergo continuous mitotic cell division, and there will be a formation of what? There will be a development of what takes place? Development of embryo takes place. So zygote develop into what? Embryo. Okay, and this primary endosperm nucleus, it here also we can see the mitotic cell division. This primary endosperm nucleus, it also undergo continuous mitotic cell division, and there will be a formation of what? Endosperm. Okay, so there will be a formation of what? Endosperm. So what is that endosperm? Endosperm is a nutritive tissue. Okay, so endosperm is the nutritive tissue which give nourishment to the developing embryo. Okay, which give nourishment to the developing embryo. Okay, so this development of embryo, it is also takes place where? It is takes place in the embryo sac. It is also takes place in the where? In the embryo sac. Understood? So this is about what? This is about double fertilization which takes place in the angiosperms. Okay, if you remember all these things, then it is very easy to attend this question in the exam. Understood? Okay, students, thank you.